Nightmares you have never seen. When people think of terrifying creatures, they imagine sharks, giant snakes, or massive deep-sea monsters. Worms rarely make that list. After all, worms are small, soft, and easy to ignore. But beneath the surface of rivers, oceans, and seabeds lives a hidden world of aquatic worms. They challenge everything we think we know about fear in nature. These creatures don't need teeth, claws, or size to be horrifying, because aquatic worms don't chase you, they wait. Worms that left the land behind. Unlike earthworms that burrow quietly through soil, aquatic worms evolved in environments where survival demanded new strategies. Water allowed them to grow larger, move differently, and interact with prey in far more disturbing ways. From shallow freshwater lakes to the darkest parts of the ocean floor, aquatic worms adapted to pressure, darkness, and scarcity. And in doing so, many of them became predators, parasites, and biological specialists, unlike anything found on land. Some hunt, some ambush, others invade living bodies. The monsters hiding in plain sight. Take the BobbitWorm, a marine predator that can grow over 3 meters long. Buried beneath sand, with only its jaws exposed, it waits motionless for weeks. When prey swims too close, the worm strikes in milliseconds, slicing fish in half with scissor-like jaws before dragging them underground. Then, there are ribbon worms, capable of shooting a toxic proboscis longer than their own bodies. This weapon wraps around prey, injecting venom that liquefies internal tissues. And unlike landworms, aquatic worms don't need speed. They rely on surprise. Parasites that control their hosts. Some aquatic worms are terrifying, not because of what they look like, but because of what they do. Parasitic worms, like acanthocephalans, infect fish and crustaceans, altering their brains. Infected hosts behave strangely, swimming toward predators instead of away from them, ensuring the worm completes its life cycle. The host doesn't fight back. It doesn't even know it's been hijacked. This is biological mind control, perfected underwater. Immortal strategies and extreme survival. Aquatic worms thrive where other animals fail. Some survive near hydrothermal vents, tolerating temperatures that would kill most life instantly. Others live in oxygen-starved mud, absorbing nutrients directly through their skin. Many can regenerate lost body parts. Some reproduce by splitting themselves in half, and others can remain dormant for years, waiting for conditions to improve. They are not fragile, they are relentless. Why water made worms more dangerous? Water removed limits. Buoyancy allowed bodies to grow longer. Darkness removed the need for vision. Pressure eliminated predators that relied on speed. In this environment, worms became masters of efficiency. They consume waste, prey, and even living tissue with equal success. On land, worms clean the soil. In water, they dominate entire ecosystems. The deep-sea worms that defy reality. Some of the most disturbing aquatic worms live deeper than sunlight can reach. Pompeii worms, for example, survive on hydrothermal vents at temperatures exceeding 80 degrees Celsius, protected by symbiotic bacteria growing on their bodies. Others glow in the dark. Some have metallic jaws reinforced with copper, and many have never been fully studied, meaning what we know may be only a fraction of what exists. Invisible, but essential. Despite their terrifying traits, aquatic worms are essential to life on Earth. They recycle nutrients, clean ocean floors, and support entire food chains. Without them, ecosystems would collapse. They are proof that nature doesn't care about beauty or comfort, only balance. And sometimes, balance looks horrifying. The fear beneath the surface. Aquatic worms are not monsters in the traditional sense. They are specialists, perfectly adapted to environments humans rarely see and barely understand. They don't roar. They don't attack cities. They don't need to. They thrive silently, patiently, beneath the water's surface. And that's exactly why aquatic worms are far more terrifying than the ones beneath our feet.